Hello students, in previous video I have dealt with the chapter 4, that is concept of time and calendar. Now I am going to deal with the exercises of this chapter, that is on page number 22. So let's begin with the first exercise, that is exercise A, take the right answer. So here we have to take on the right answer only. Okay, so I have already done one exercise here. It means AD stands for, as I told you that AD means Anno Domini, so I have take the Anno Domini. Okay, so now come to the second question, that this is, I mean, which century is this? Is it 19th century, 21st century or 20th century? As you all remember that I told you that this is 21st century, so the correct answer is 21st century. Okay, India became independent on. So in the chapter I have also told you that India became independent on which day. So is it 8th August 1942, 15 August 1947 or 26 January 1950? So the correct answer is option B, that is 15 August 1947. Okay, now come to the fourth one. Who is known as the father of the nation? As you all know that father of the nation is Mahatma Gandhi. Okay. Fifth question, that is Teachers Day is celebrated on. Teachers Day, when do we celebrate Teachers Day? Is it 5th September, 2nd September or 8th June? So the correct answer is option A, that is 5th September. We celebrate Teachers Day on 5th September. On this day there is a birthday of Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan. Okay, now come to the exercise B, that is match the following. So in the match the following, the first name is given here is Mahatma Gandhi, so we have to match it with the column B. Okay, so in column B there are lots of options. So in this option we will match the Mahatma Gandhi with B. As you all know, his samadhi is at Rajghat. So Mahatma Gandhi samadhi is at Rajghat. Okay, now come to the second, that is Independence Day. Independence Day, where do we celebrate Independence Day? So we celebrate Independence Day at Red Fort. Okay, Republic. So third is Republic Day, and Republic Day was is celebrated at Rajpath. Okay, that is option E. Fourth is Chacha. As you all know, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru is called Chacha Nehru. So fourth will be matched with option C. Fifth is Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan. So he is also is considered as the second president of India. Okay, so the fifth will be matched with D. Now move to the next page, that is about exercise C, that fill in the blanks, choose words from the box. You have to choose the words from the box and fill it in these blanks. Okay, so first, so here BCE means before common era. Sorry, there's a mistake. Common era. Okay, a year has dash days. How many days in a year have? So there are 365 days in a year. We celebrate dash January as Republic Day. Which day we celebrate as Republic Day? So 26th of January, है ना? 26th January we celebrate as a Republic Day. Dash October is celebrated as Gandhi Jayanti. Which day is celebrated as Gandhi Jayanti? So here is the option second. It means 2nd October. Okay, 2nd October is celebrated as Gandhi Jayanti. Now come to the last, fifth and last one. Was the first Prime Minister of India? Who was the first Prime Minister of India? Jawaharlal Nehru. Okay, Jawaharlal Nehru was the first Prime Minister of India. Now move to the next exercise, that is exercise D. Write T for the true and F for the false statements. We have to write T for true and F for false statement. So here is the first statement. Decade is a period of 20 years. Is it true or false? Is it false? Because decade is a period of 10 years. So this statement is false. So I write F for false. Second statement is a century is a period of 100 years. A century is a period of 100 years. Is it true or false? Is it true? As I told you that a century is a period of 100 years. Okay. Third statement is birthday of Jawaharlal Nehru is celebrated as the Children's Day. Yes, we celebrate Children's Day, birthday of Jawaharlal Nehru as Children's Day. Okay, so this statement is also true. Now come to the fourth statement. An event is usually an important happening. An event is usually an important happening, यानी जो हमारी important happenings होती है that is called event. वही उसी को event बोलते हैं, right? So is it true or false? So this statement is also true. Now come to the fifth one. We celebrate Independence Day and Republic Day on the same day. Means you celebrate Independence Day and Republic Day on the same day? No, we celebrate Independence Day on 15 August and Republic Day on 26 January. So this statement is false. So I write here F here. Okay, this is all about the exercises and I will provide you the answer the following question in your WhatsApp group. Okay.